Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change time on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down the general page and then click on date and time. Under date and time, disable set automatically, then click on time zone. Come here and search for your time zone. Select that. Then to change your time, select time. Then come here and change your time. You can change this to PM or AM. Change the minute. And then change the hour. Once you're done, click outside. You can also set your time to 24-hour time by turning on this. And that's it. So that's exactly how to change time on iPhone. So if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.